Unraveling the meaning of war grave. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss: the meaning and use of the phrase, war grave. By the end of this video, you should have a clear understanding of what a war grave is, and how to use this phrase in a sentence. A war grave is a term that combines two words, war and grave. Let's break it down. War. This is a situation where there is active fighting between countries or groups. Grave. This is a place where a dead body is buried. When these two words are put together, war grave refers to a grave where a soldier or someone who died in a war is buried. It is a place of remembrance and respect for those who have lost their lives in conflict. War graves hold significant importance for many reasons. 1. Remembrance. They serve as a physical space for people to remember and pay their respects to the deceased. 2. History. War graves help preserve the history and the stories of those who fought and died in wars. 3. Honor. They reflect a society's commitment to honoring the sacrifice of its military personnel. Now, let's look at how we can use the phrase, war grave, in sentences. 1. The old battlefield is now a site of many war graves, where tourists and relatives can pay their respects. 2. During the memorial service, the veterans laid flowers on the war graves to honor their fallen comrades. 3. The government has pledged to maintain and protect these war graves as a part of national heritage. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, war grave. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning of this phrase and how to use it in context. Remember, learning new phrases helps improve your language skills and expands your vocabulary. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.